Pumpkin pie. Who not ready? That's the game we used to play. Yeah. I just was the same. Ready or not, here I come. Singing that new thing that's fine. Always get to find a hiding place. The time to change. Whoa, I wanna get
Good morning, everybody. My name is Jessica Shaneyfelt, and I'm the center manager for the Parkway Senior Center. And I have Miss Cynthia with us, our intern from the University of South Alabama. And today we are going to be making pumpkin bread. So I hope y'all enjoy. So the first thing to do when making your pumpkin bread is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to want to butter and lightly dust your pan with flour. So to start making your pumpkin bread, you're going to need a large bowl, and you're going to put 2 cups of flour, and then you're going to add a 1.5 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then lastly you're going to put in there 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we are going to mix all of these dry ingredients together. Okay, so part 2 of this recipe is to mix your wet ingredients. So you're going to want to put 3 eggs in a second mixing bowl. Make sure that they're at room temperature. These must have been some super chickens because these are some hard eggs to crack. And then we are going to add a cup of oil, and you want to use extra light virgin olive oil. And then the last thing that you're going to want to add is 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. So it's the smaller puree cans that you find at the grocery store. And then once you get all this done, you're going to mix this until it is well combined. All right, step 3 is to pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and mix it really, really well, or until it's completely smooth. This is Miss Gwen, who works with us over at the Senior Programs and Centers, and she is trying our freshly baked pumpkin bread.
That's pretty good.
And Miss Gwen is not a very big fan of pumpkin, right?
I'm not.
But that's pretty good.
And fresh and moist.
See, there you have it.
Yeah.
We know what we're doing.
Good.
That's real good, thank you. It's delicious, it's very good, thank you. It's real good, thank you.